Is AI transforming everything except aviation? Think about it. A $200 million marvel of carbon fiber and jet engines lifts you 35,000 feet into the sky. It's safer than your daily commute, a true pinnacle of human engineering. Yet, behind the scenes, some systems managing your flight were built 20 and sometimes 40 years ago, long before AI, cloud, or even internet. Paradox, right? How can one of the most advanced industries in the world still run on fossilized software? But such paradoxes hide the biggest opportunities, because while aviation looks unchanged on the exterior, AI has already begun reshaping it in ways most people never see. By the end of this video, you will understand where AI actually fits in aviation, so you can spot the upside before everyone else. But there are pitfalls most investors miss, and we'll get to those too. I'm Alex Medovoi, founder and CEO of AltexSoft. Welcome to Aviation's AI Revolution. Let's start with the obvious question. AI can already drive cars, kind of. So why not planes? I mean, flying is basically autopilot most of the time, right? Straight line, fewer obstacles, no pedestrians randomly crossing the runway. Sounds easier than city traffic. And if you look at the headlines, it feels like we're already there. eVTOL companies are promising autonomous flights, like very soon. So, is the cockpit next? Yes. AI is great at predictable control tasks, like crunching data or flying a drone in calm conditions. But aviation isn't predictable. Pilots deal with sudden weather changes, system failures, and situations where there is no clear right answer, only judgment. It's that gut feeling you can't quite explain. Those something feels off moments that experienced pilots handle on pure instinct after years of training. Now, let's say the technology actually gets there. Certification would be a nightmare. Regulators like the FAA would need years, probably decades, of proven reliability before allowing anything that touches passenger safety. And even if that hurdle is clear, would you board a pilotless plane? Exactly. Passengers aren't even ready for pilotless planes. So airlines themselves won't risk losing traffic just to save on the payroll. Bottom line, AI is a killer co-pilot boosting efficiency, but replacing pilots, that's decades away, if ever. With that out of the way, where should we be looking for real investment opportunities? To find the answer, let's start with the industry's biggest problem. Here's the brutal economics of flying. Fuel devours up to a third of all costs, and the prices swing wildly. Just look at April 2026, a massive price surge forced airlines to suspend flights and absorb huge losses. Labor is another major expense, not just pilots, but cabin crew, ground staff, dispatchers, thousands of people required to keep aircraft moving. Then comes maintenance, and it isn't optional. Constant inspections and engine overhauls bleed cash. Now, flip to the revenue side, and it's just as unstable. A bad pricing decision means empty seats and pure lost revenue. Top it all off with disruptions. One delay at a major hub can ripple across the entire network, costing billions. All of this means margins stay thin, really thin. For airlines, a 1% efficiency drop is the difference between profit and loss. And that's where the opportunity emerges. Because to succeed in this sector, you don't need to reinvent aviation. If you can improve even one of its components just slightly at scale, it turns into massive value. So where can AI really move the needle on margins? Here are 4 key areas where I see the biggest potential for AI solutions. First, maintenance. The math is hard to ignore. AI health monitoring cuts maintenance costs by up to 18% and slashes aircraft downtime by 20%. Airbus forecasts that predictive technologies could save commercial operators up to $4 billion annually by 2043. It's no surprise this is the largest AI application segment in aviation. Giants like Boeing, Airbus, and Collins Aerospace dominate here. Airlines are also building in-house tools. For example, Delta's Apex platform is already saving the company 8-digit figures yearly.
But the ecosystem is still expanding, and there is room for startups.
Take Donegal. It develops autonomous drones for aircraft inspection. Powered by computer vision and AI, they scan for defects and deliver reports in minutes, turning one of the most time-consuming manual tasks into a fast, automated process.
Second, pricing. Airlines have relied on manual legacy pricing models for decades. Now, AI is putting the hurt on the old models. Modern revenue management platforms dynamically adjust prices by analyzing millions of cross-market data points in real time.
One example is Fetcher. The company claims its system can boost airline revenue by up to 10%. In practice, airlines that apply AI-powered revenue management tools report more conservative gains, around 3 to 6%, but even those are significant in a low-margin industry. Anyway, investors are paying attention. Fetcher closed a $42 million Series C in late 2025, bringing its total backing to over $150 million. And the title of Best AI Innovation of 2025 isn't nothing, right? Another major player, Flyer, goes even further, building a fully AI-native retailing platform for airlines and hotels. To support this ambition, it raised one of the largest funding rounds in travel tech. This signals where the industry is heading. At AltexSoft, we're building for that future. From revenue management solutions and price recommendation engines to NDC-based offer and order systems. We help companies modernize tech stacks and implement next-gen AI infrastructure. If you're looking to evolve your systems or embed AI into workflows, let's connect.
The next interesting opportunity is fuel, one of the airline's biggest headaches. You might be wondering how AI can make fuel cheaper, and it can't. But it changes how efficiently it's used. AI can optimize routes, altitude, and even gate usage, and that reduces fuel consumption. A new wave of startups is building AI systems that do just that.
Airspace Intelligence is the clearest example. Their product, Flyways, is essentially Waze for commercial aviation, an AI-powered platform that helps dispatchers pick optimal flight paths by fusing hundreds of data sources: live traffic, weather, airport conditions, and FAA feeds. Early customers like Alaska Airlines reported millions saved in fuel costs alone.
This is where data becomes critical. Weather, for example, isn't just a footnote, it's one of the main drivers of fuel efficiency.
For instance, Tomorrow.io, an AI-native weather intelligence platform used by JetBlue and Lufthansa, raised a massive $175 million in early 2026 to expand its atmospheric sensing. And given that weather is the single largest reason for flight delays, having those hyper-accurate forecasts and real-time weather insights helps avoid costly schedule disruptions. A double win.
Then come ground operations. Turnaround time, baggage handling, refueling, boarding. Every minute an aircraft sits at the gate, it loses money.
That's why startups like Asaya are using computer vision to monitor aircraft on the ground in real time. They raised $26.6 million in late 2025 to deploy this tech at major hubs like JFK and London's Heathrow. The impact is immediate. Ground delays drop by up to 25%, translating into as much as $900 million in annual savings per airline.
But no turnaround is more expensive than a full-scale network disruption, the kind triggered by a geopolitical crisis, airspace closures, or sudden operational shocks. That's where disruption management becomes critical. The big players, Amadeus, Sabre, already offer it as a module in their broader stacks. Solid but built for a pre-AI world, rule-based, reactive, and slow to adapt. The opportunity is in doing it differently.
Startups like Lumo use AI to predict airport delays and capacity constraints days in advance, giving operations teams time to react before disruptions cascade. No, it won't predict World War III, but it can help airlines respond to the unexpected faster. Or another one, Iceland-based Avilabs, with its Plan 3 platform, is automating the full passenger recovery flow, from rebooking to compensation the moment an irregular operation is declared. Look, we're just scratching the surface here. Air traffic control, customer service, cybersecurity, crew management, baggage tracking, the list of use cases keeps growing. AI is becoming core infrastructure in the air industry. And if you'd like a deeper dive into the specific areas, passenger experience, cargo, or airport operations, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to make part 2. All of that sounds like an investor's dream, right? High paying, clear use cases, massive upside. So should we just go all in on aviation startups? Honestly, winning, unfortunately, is not that simple. Aviation is notoriously difficult. Many ambitious, super-funded startups just can't break through. And there are 2 big reasons why. First, the incumbents. Aviation runs on systems built by legacy giants. Think Amadeus, Jeppesen, Lufthansa, or GE Aerospace. These heavyweights have an iron grip on the market and won't be replaced easily. Second, the pace. Aviation changes slowly. It's an industry built on caution and regulation. You can build a great product, but getting it into an airline's tech stack is a monumental challenge. New tech has to play nice with decades-old legacy code. So a startup can have a brilliant idea, but if they underestimate the massive friction of the aviation ecosystem, they will fail. Make no mistake, the market is ripe. AI in aviation is projected to grow into a $170 billion opportunity by 2035. But if you want to be a part of that growth, proceed carefully. Do not let a flashy pitch deck promising to disrupt the flight business blind you. Before you write a check, look for the fundamentals. Does this product solve an actual pain for the airline? Does it integrate seamlessly with those 40-year-old legacy black boxes? Or does it force an airline to rip and replace their entire IT stack? Because, spoiler alert, they won't. Look for the hard proof. Pilot programs with major carriers, strong industry partnerships, crystal clear business model, and above all, airtight regulatory compliance and certification. Put all this together and picture becomes clear. The winners in aviation AI will be the ones who understand the constraints, fit into the ecosystem, and deliver measurable value from day one. Want more travel investment insights? Watch the other videos in this series. And for deeper travel tech analysis, visit our website and LinkedIn. Links are below. See you there.